Hello, my teacher. My name is Jennifer Ortiz. I am a student administration of healthy. I shared my task for speaking assignment. In my opinion, the Industrial Revolution caused serious effects on the environment because the industrial damage in the climate pollution with gas source of carbon dioxide damage causing the atmosphere, contamination of the waters, lakes, rivers, oceans, and destroyed ecosystems. Also, I think that the Industrial Revolution influenced damage of the healthy humans. The other negative impact of the technology on the environment consisted of the deforestation, the works, causing damage environment because resource depletion, causing death of the fauna. I think that is very sad because we destroy the planet for economy the world. I considered that the industrial can stop the damage with the better practices. For example, renewable energy, solar, or panel solars. Stop deforestation of the world or electric cars, maybe the industrial can reduce the contamination and bring the better quality life for all the world. In my opinion, the technology is very good for the development of the world. But I consider the industrial most